We'll guide you through how to make fireworks in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, what you need is some paper, some gunpowder and some dyes. Once you've got that, then come to a crafting table. First of all, we're going to go and create a firework star. To go and do that, you need to have gunpowder, and you can then go and place that into a crafting table. And what you can then do is start going and adding dyes. You can add multiple different dyes, and the more dyes you add, you're going to go and notice the different colors the firework star then becomes. So I'm then going to go and grab the firework star like so. Now that you've got a star, we can go and make a firework rocket with that. So what you want to do is go and put the paper into your crafting table, then grab gunpowder. Now what you can do is add more gunpowder, and you're going to go and have a longer flight duration. For example, I could add another piece of gunpowder, and we then have flight duration of 2. I could add another, and then a flight duration of 3. You get the idea. So yeah, you can have 1 to 3. And what you can do is go and add the firework star, and as you can see, we're now adding it to it. It's that simple. I can then go and grab them, and there we go. We can go and see this firework's got a flight duration of 3 and the different colors. And what I can then do is right click, and as you can see, it will then go and explode like so. Now that went quite high up. Now that's because the flight duration was quite long. You could have less gunpowder and you then have a shorter flight duration. It's that simple.